Hazrat Ali mentioned about success as Qadrul Rajuli ala Qadri Himmatihi. A man's value is according to his courage. Al Aqilu yatlubul kamala wal Jahilu yatlubul mal. A wise man is seeker of perfection, and an ignorant is seeker of wealth. Don't occupy yourself with the sorrows of the past, otherwise you will miss the preparation for the future. Man awama'a ila mutafawitin khazalathul hiyalu. Whoever hankers after contraries gets no means of success. He who trusts less in others is safe, and he who trusts more regrets. According to Surah Najm, ayat number 40 and 41, وَأَنَّا سَعْيَهُ سَوْفَ يُرَى, and that his efforts will be seen. ثُمَّ يُجْزَاهُ الْجَزَاءَ الْأَوْفَى, then he will be recompensed with the full and the best recompense. Resolve strongly on your past failures so that they can be corrected, and don't express anything before it is solidified. Man jadda wajada, he who strives achieves. Az-zafru bil jazmi wal azm, success comes from determination. Antastaqimu tuflihu, if you persevere you will succeed. Imam Zainul Abidin prayed as Allahumma atini bi azmil arada. Ya Allah, grant me perseverance with determination. We should remember, people don't see our struggle, they only see our success. A Saraiki poet Shakar Shuja Abadi composed his verses as तू मेहनत कर ते मेहनत दा सीला जाने खुदा जाने, तू दीवा बाल के रख चा हवा जाने खुदा जाने, ए पूरी थीवे ना थीवे मगर बेकार नहीं वेंदी, दुआ शाकर तू मंगी रख दुआ जाने खुदा जाने।